Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the latest Q3 Air case from TORRAS, and I'm going to show you how you can use it for vlogging, making short videos, and why you need it in your daily lives. Before we start the video, a quick disclaimer. TORRAS did send me this case for a review, but they didn't pay me to say anything. All you're about to hear is my honest take. But yeah, once you got used to the stand case, trust me, you don't want to use any other cases. You can hook it up on a tree branch and get unique angle like this, and especially because it has a new front camera sensor, the quality is gonna look amazing. If you're indoor like in a mall, there are even more places for you to hang on. You can easily capture B-rolls for your vlogs without needing a tripod using this case. For you TikTokers out there, I have a great news. This is how you can do a cool transition in the fitting room. Next, you can hang it in front of your shirt for a POV angle shot. With the ultra-wide front camera, you don't even need an action camera. This is what the shot looks like. It is a bit off-center, but you can adjust it in post. It is surprisingly secure as long as somebody don't snatch it from you. I am pretty sure you have seen this transition before on Instagram or TikTok. You can take this cool transition where you're hopping into another location because this case can stand vertically, or actually any angle you want. Here I just left it on the table while I'm shopping at Muji, and I took this shot in a bookstore. But yeah, find somewhere where there is no people so you won't disturb them. The stand makes your life so much more convenient. You can use it to watch videos when you have no friends to eat with like me. There are some magnets on the stand itself on top of the MagSafe in the iPhone. It is super useful outdoor because you can basically attach it to anything made of steel. Again, I'm taking a B-roll shot here, but you can also use these for A-roll shots. If you like cooking, I think you'll love this case because you can just attach it to the fridge. You can use it to look at recipes or simply just play some videos or music. The genius thing about this design is that the magnet actually sticks out, so it is very secure. We all had times where our phone just slipped off from our hands without any reasons. With this stand, it is pretty much impossible to drop it. There are air cushions on all four corners of the case, so I'm never worried about dropping it. They also have a raised cutout to protect the cameras, but I do wish that they cover the plateau a bit more. At $65.99, this is definitely not cheap by any means, but you do get what you pay for. Premium price for premium features. I can see myself using it for the next few years until when I'm bored of it. If you've never tried a stand case from TORRAS, give it a chance. Trust me, you won't regret it. If you want a more professional looking case, you can check out the Q3 Silicone. It doesn't have the air cushions, but the rest are pretty much the same. The iconic stand is still there. That's it for this video. Thank you TORRAS for sending me the cases. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!